Everyone, myself Pradeep, student of class 9th A. This is my English project on the most trending topic in the world, that is time travel. I hope all of you would have been imagined the thing time travel. Time travel is the concept of momentum between certain points in time, typically with the use of a hypothetical device known as time machine. Time travel is a device recognized concept in philosophy and fiction. Today I am going to tell about a man who is said to travel in time. The name of that person is Paul Adams Linnach, who was an English language teacher in Switzerland in the academic year 1922. Suddenly he met with an accident and went to coma for an year. After an year, he woke up from coma and maintained loneliness without speaking to his family. Stayed in a small room. He had a diary and a pen with him. He never came out of his room after being cured from coma, and he never gave his diary or said what he was writing in the diary. He kept it highly confidential. After 2 years of coma, he died from tuberculosis, a bacterial disease that mainly affects the lungs. A student of Paul, with curiosity, took the book and read it in front of all his family, neighbors, and friends. Paul had written a story of year 3906. After reading the whole story, he understood that Paul had not written a story. He wrote about his own life. Paul had written what would happen in those years between 1922 and 3906. He strongly wrote that he had time traveled to the year 3906. He did not write this to become famous or something because he tried to keep the secret himself. So all are believing it is not a novel, it is true what happened to him. There are many books written on this concept like Chronicles from the Past. When the students read the book aloud, Paul had written that after the next day of coma he wakes up in an hospital with some unknown students around him. Then a student sees him waking up and says, "Oh professor, you have opened your eyes." Suddenly Paul interrupts, "No, no, I am not a professor, I am just a teacher." Then the student says, "No professor, yesterday you had met with an accident in the physics lab." Then Paul turns his head, he sees a calendar nearby. He comes to know the year. Then Paul explains to a doctor that he had been living in the year 1922. He suddenly met with an accident and then he was here. Doctor replies, "Oh, poor professor, even you have got the disease. Most of them are getting this disease after an accident these days." 3906. Then Paul adopted his life. He continued his life being a professor. An year passed. It was a normal day when Paul slept after his physics class. Then he came back to the year 1923. This is the viewpoint of Paul. No one knows if Paul had dreamt or he had really traveled the time, but Paul had strongly written that he had traveled in time. Paul had written 13 predictions what would happen in the year from 20th century to 3906. But at the time, the people of the church and the government opposed the book. But the student has published the book against the government. Now this book is easily available even in school libraries. Now let's see what were the 13 predictions of Paul. He had predicted that the World War II would begin in the year 1939 and end in the year 1945. Paul's first prediction was this. This became true. This is the main reason that the Paul's book became famous. Let's go to the second point. Paul had written that 21st and 23rd century will be the biggest dark age of people. Even we grow by technology, our population will be the villain. There will be no food to eat, there will be no clothes to wear. Every country will be blank with no ideas how to control population. From 24th century, the human will start living in Mars. About 2 crore people would settle in Mars. Fourth prediction. There will be third world war in this world. Population will completely fall down. This will be the biggest history of the world comparing to first and second world war. Third will be more effective. Number 5. The humans who have settled in Mars after 100 years will die by natural disaster like earthquake in Earth, some other disaster in Mars. All the civilization will die in Mars. After this, no human will wish to go to Mars. Number 6. Human will try to understand others and live peacefully and unitedly. In 31st century, human will get the knowledge of life. They won't kill each other. Number 7. Human will treat plants equal to humans. And there will be no concept of money after World War III. They will hate money and follow humanism. All get equal food, shelter, etc. Number 8. Number 8. At 36th century, they all will be united. That time will be called as the Golden Age. Number 9. Human will work just for 2 years and get sufficient food to live rest of their lives. After studies, they just work for 2 years. The main reason for it is population. There will be very less population, only about 100 crores. Number 10. There will be international voting. All the countries will be together and have international voting. There will be no caste, religion, etc. Number 11. They will have the technology to make the person imagine to travel very easily. For example, if I am willing to go to Dubai, the next second my imagination would have been taken me to Dubai. Number 12. Cybercrime hackers will be the disaster of the world. They will try to create a new world for themselves. The name of the hackers will be Savage, who will be thinking to take all the resources of the world and start creation of a new world. Last prediction of Paul. In the year 3906, the humans will have the next generation. That is how we are from apes. They will be from us. They are the advanced set of humans. The end. Would you believe this or not? Whether Paul had really traveled in time or not? Was it a story or life? Please write in the commentary box.